Hello friends, this is Dr. S.S. Deshpande. Today we are studying the second chapter of business economics, and the name of the chapter is demand and supply. Now this is the first topic of the chapter, demand, and these are the points to be covered. The first point is meaning of demand. Demand for the product comes into existence when three conditions are satisfied simultaneously. The person should have desire for the product. Besides having the desire, he should also have the ability to pay for it and the willingness to spend the money from his pocket at a given price, place and time. Demand means the quantity demanded at a given price, place and time. Next is demand function. Demand function studies various factors affecting demand for the product. In this equation, dx stands for demand for good X, F shows the functional relationship, Px stands for price of good X, Y stands for the consumer's income, PR stands for price of related goods, E stands for expectations about future price and income, T stands for tastes, preferences and fashion, A stands for the advertisement expenditure, and finally the capital P stands for the size of population. As far as the price and demand are concerned, there is an inverse relationship between the two. When the price of the product increases, other factors remaining unchanged, the demand for the product falls and vice versa. The second factor is consumer's income. Income has a direct relationship with the demand. When the consumer's income increases, he demands more of the product, and when his income decreases, he demands less. In related goods, there are two types of goods, substitutes and complements. Price of the substitute has a direct relationship with the demand, whereas the price of the complementary good has inverse relationship with the demand. When the price of the substitute increases, substitute becomes less attractive, and as a result, the demand for the product under consideration, that is demand for good X, will rise. For example, when the price of coffee increases, the demand for tea is going to rise, because those who were consuming coffee, some of them will now start consuming tea as coffee has become expensive. Price of the complementary good will have an inverse relationship with the demand. When the price of the complementary good increases, the demand for the product